Alright, y'all, I hope you can hear everything alright. I'm gonna take these headphones off now. Everything seems okay in the monitor. Oh god, it's weird hearing my own voice when I talk, like at the same time. I don't know, it's even weird being on a camera. Anyway, I'm looking at doing some text-to-speech, some deepfake audio kind of shit. I've never done anything like this before. I've never done some like neural network shit. Alright. Let's go into WaveRNN. Pull up their docs and see what we can do. If you want to use TTS functionality immediately, you can simply use the quick start. This will generate everything in the default sentences.txt file and output a new quick start folder where you can play back the wave files and take a look at the attention plots. You can use that script to generate custom TTS sentences and or use TAC-U to generate unbatched or better audio quality. So input text. Alright, let's give that a shot before we train any of our own models. That is the ultimate goal. Basically, I want to be able to, if I wanted, to have Gilbert Gottfried read me bedtime stories. I find his voice very soothing. Anyway, that's my dream. Let's make it a reality. Alright, so we're going to run the quick start. I know I have to run it. Let's see. If this calls any other scripts... Okay, let's just Python 3./quick start. We want unbatched for like the good shit. Tac input. Is it underscore? Fucking alt keys all fucked up. Using such an old keyboard. I don't have to upgrade it though. Fuck it. I just gotta clean it out. Dot. Input text. Oh boy, I cannot wait until I don't know. Oh, I didn't install all the prereqs, so pip3 install our requirements.txt. You can see how much of a fucking noob I am. And it's weird working around this thing. All these things that I have around. It's probably good for my GPU. Anyway, so the goal here, really in this first video, is just to get everything up and running, PyTorch and WaveRNN. And I'm just going to see if the samples build fine with whatever default, I guess, training models are included. And then step 2 after that will be producing new models. Feed it new training data. I guess I'll use myself to start. And then we're going to go on to people like podcasters. Wouldn't it be rad to hear Ben Shapiro actually do a rendition of Wet Ass Pussy? I mean, that'd be fucking tits, man. I want to see that happen. Anyway, let's go ahead and give this quick start. Ah, come on. Number. No module named number. Alright. So pip3 number. Maybe that wasn't included. So let's just do a pip3 and it may be installed. Yeah, but there's no decorators module. No module named. And this is a number. I was just gonna say, let's check the right, here we go. Okay, so we're gonna have to roll back the version here. Oop. Number 0.48. Okay, let's try this quick start again. We may have to tell it explicitly to use the new... Oh, nope, we got further, and we're using the CUDA device. Trainable parameters. User warning to copy construct from a tensor. It is recommended to use... Okay, don't have to worry about that. WaveRNN. Is that the number of samples we have? 797K, maybe? I don't know. And something about Tacotron. So in the meantime, I'm going to pull up another terminal. I think I have one up here. Yep, where I'm going to take a look at NVIDIA SMI. I want to see what my... Man, everything seems to be looking good. Python's cranking away. That's a 1 kilohertz generation rate. So I'm going to pull up the WaveRNN. There was a super cool... Where was it? It was on the examples page. Yeah, on the samples page. You can see 29 kilohertz batched. Oh, okay. Yeah, not batched generation rate. Because we're unbatching, I guess. I don't know what the hell we're doing. And we're done. So now we should probably check the wave files. And they would have been saved where? Source. WaveRNN. Quick start, and then wave files in here. Oh boy.
Oh boy, I cannot wait until Lazlow lays down some really red deep fakes. Oh boy, I cannot wait until Lazlow lays down some really red deep fakes.
Okay, we're definitely gonna have to train that with a new voice, but that's kind of cool. All right, so next step in figuring out what the fuck we're doing. I was looking up some benchmarks for OCL Hashcat, or was it? Yeah, Hashcat. Quite happy now to have a GPU rig that can, you know, do some decent hashing. All right, so we're gonna go back here and we're gonna look at training. All right. Here's my recommendation. This is from the developer. Here's my recommendation on what order to run things. Oh wait, we got to go back up. I want to make sure I didn't miss. Here we go. Training your own models. We're going to download the LJ Speech dataset. Man, I hope I have enough storage for this. Oh, okay. That's not bad. Where are we going to save this data set to? It's a public domain speech data set consisting of 13,100 short audio clips of a single speaker reading passages from 7 non-fiction books. A transcript is provided for each clip. Clips vary in length from 1 to 10 seconds and have a total length of approximately 24 hours. The texts were published between 1884 and 1964 and are in the public domain. The audio was recorded in 2016 through 2017 by the LibriVox project and is also in the public domain. So, okay, it is a single speaker. Yep. Sweet. So, just based on these marks here, clips in length of 1 to 10 seconds, and a total runtime for this database of 24 hours. That's easy for any podcaster or any internet personality. So Joe Rogan, all the ones that have been done, Joe Rogan, Jordan Peterson. I don't think I've seen a lot of Ben Shapiro stuff yet. So get on it. Start coming up with some nice little WAV files, 1 to 10 seconds of Ben Shapiro. Now, do his natural talking voice. Don't do something where he's reciting something. Good Lord. Although we should do a separate data set, 24 hours of him giving all of those advertisements. You know, because he's got a separate tone when he speaks there. So that could be a separate data set. So then you could have him do, I don't know, advertisements for whatever the hell you want. Just saying. Anyway, we're going to grab this data set. TAR-BZ2. I'm going to grab this, start downloading it, and then I'm going to cut the camera, do some other shit. I didn't plan on actually being able to get this far. I thought I was going to run through a bunch of goddamn rigmarole just trying to get things set up, but hey, sometimes shit just works. Anyway, I will check in later and I'll record a new vid.